Hiring your car from Bayswater Car Rental is easy. Getting around in Australia should be trouble-free as well. Bayswater Car Rental presents our survival tips for long-distance driving. Pack car-friendly items. Always bring thin blankets and sheets, tons of toe-tapping tunes, a satellite phone, and a flashlight. Make that a good flashlight. What else should you take? Plenty of food and water, of course. You never know when you might need to make an unscheduled stop from anywhere. Prepare an emergency kit and put that in the car before you forget. And make sure you take an extra tyre too. As for the car itself, how about a trip to the service station before the real trip begins? Check the oil levels and the tyre pressure. Do it at the servo and they can help you get things sorted sooner. Is your luggage and cargo secure? Make sure you check. Then make sure you check again. Finally, before you go anywhere, check your route and put it in the GPS. In this wide, empty land, it can be a little difficult getting directions on a deserted highway. Drive in style, arrive safely with Bayswater Car Rental.